Space is freezing, but somewhere out there lies a place so cold it defies the very laws of physics. Welcome to the coldest place in the known universe. On average, space is about minus 270 degrees Celsius, colder than anything on Earth could ever be. Yet, something out there is even colder. In 1995, astronomers using the Atacama telescope discovered a strange nebula, glowing faint blue, colder than space itself. They called it the Boomerang Nebula, a dying star 5,000 light-years away in the constellation Centaurus. At its heart is a dying star, shedding its outer layers in a final breath, a star's frozen goodbye. Inside this nebula, temperatures plunge to minus 272 degrees Celsius, just 1 degree above absolute zero. That's colder than the background temperature of the universe, the coldest natural place ever found. But how can anything be colder than space itself? The answer lies in how this dying star is collapsing. As the gas expands away from the star, it cools rapidly, faster than radiation can reheat it. The gas moves at nearly 500,000 kilometers per hour, creating the most extreme refrigerator in the cosmos. The boomerang's strange bow tie shape comes from twin outflows of gas shooting in opposite directions. At the center, the star is small but brilliant, heating nearby gas while the outer layers freeze. This is a star in its final chapter, transforming into a white dwarf surrounded by its frozen remains. The Boomerang Nebula isn't just cold, it's silent. No sound can travel through this vacuum of ice and dust. Even today, scientists can't fully explain why it's so much colder than its surroundings. It's like the universe built a natural cryogenic chamber, preserving the final moments of a dying sun. If you could stand there, you'd instantly freeze solid. Even light moves slower through this icy mist. Absolute zero, the lowest possible temperature, is when atoms stop moving completely. The Boomerang Nebula is just a fraction of a degree above that, almost absolute stillness. Yet, through that frozen gas, starlight still escapes, faint, soft, and ghostly. At such temperatures, chemical reactions nearly stop. Time itself feels frozen. Light from the Boomerang Nebula takes 5,000 years to reach us. We're seeing its ancient past. We study it not just to understand cold, but to glimpse the future of our own sun. The universe burns with fire and freezes with silence, and the Boomerang Nebula is where both meet. Modern telescopes like ALMA and Hubble have revealed every icy detail in incredible clarity. One day the core will ignite again, briefly shining before fading into a white dwarf forever. Beyond the boomerang, the universe may hold even colder mysteries, still waiting to be found. Even in its death, this star created something breathtaking, proof that beauty exists even in silence. At minus 272 degrees Celsius, the Boomerang Nebula is the coldest natural place we've ever seen, a cosmic monument to stillness. The universe burns with stars, but in one corner it sleeps in eternal frost. This is the Boomerang Nebula, the coldest place in existence.